two nastiest things in my house. Will it clean this mess? George. All of a sudden they focus in on the Coke bottle or, you know, some other branded merchandise, and that just annoys the crap out of me. It's like they expect you to believe Coca-Cola,
not sponsored,
didn't pay for that. I mean, are they serious? Do they think we really don't know that companies will pay people for showing their merchandise on TV? I kind of find it really crass. Different brands put themselves right in front of you. It's often awkward and it just doesn't really seem very authentic. You know what I'm saying? It just seems like, why are they showing me that logo on that person's clothing? Why are they focusing in on their,
sponsor me,
you know, whatever the product is? You know that brands pay a fortune to just be shown or worn by a celebrity or any of that. So I have no idea why superclean sent me this stuff, because you and I both know nobody watches my videos. superclean sent me some free stuff, which is really sweet, thanks. And they also sent me some of this. It's strong like drain cleaner, so that's why I have these. I do get annoyed when I'm watching TV and they show like brands of stuff, and it totally takes you out of what you're watching. This is branded. Why don't they just put this on the commercials? They know you fast forward past the commercials, so now they put it into the content. superclean also sent me this. It's another task cleaner and degreaser. I do have a shameful place in my house where the housekeeper does not clean. I'm not a big, I light clean things, and then once a month the housekeeper comes in and really cleans things. And then I invite my friends over. So anyway, I'm going to read the instructions on these products and figure out if it can work on the two nastiest things in my house. George, can you stop walking around for a minute? Gross and greasy right there.
So I guess the price of watching free content is once in a while you have to watch some commercials. And I was thinking about it, if you don't watch commercials and you don't pay for the content, then you're basically a freeloader.
Full strength for really durable things, and you can water it down to 16 parts to 1 for a laundry pre-soak, for the microwave, for the stovetops, porcelain sink.
So I'm basically a freeloader too. That's why it says flip a clip on the lower left-hand corner of all my animations. So I think the word freeloader comes from when you go to the laundromat and you put your clothes in and you set them to wash, and then you leave to go get a burger. And when you come back, the cycle's running, but your clothes aren't in there. Your wet clothes are covered in soap and they're sitting in a basket. Somebody else has stolen your wash cycle with their clothes.
Oh my gosh, I knew there was something gross down there.
That's a freeloader.
Well, it got off everything but the crusty soap over here, and we're just going to be done with that. Time to go try this in the clothes washer. And this here is what's wrong with front loader machines. So that gross black stuff, your clothes can't come very clean with this nastiness in here. Well, it is getting rid of this kind of scum stuff off the glass. Looks really good, actually. Okay, I left it sitting on this mildew stain here. Let's see. Not gonna kill the mildew stain, but it does clean up all the other junk. I'm gonna dilute it with some water and then run the machine, get that out of there.
Okay, so here's what I think. Vent hoods, getting the grease off and all the other gunk, yes. Stovetop, yes. Washing machine, getting off mildew, no. Soap scum, yes. Did it get off the hard water stains? No. So, garbage disposal, and it's really great for other greasy things, but it is not gonna get rid of hard water, and it doesn't appear to get rid of mildew.
But thanks for the t-shirt. I asked for a big one so my husband could wear it, because he likes obscure t-shirts. All right, in all seriousness.
If you enjoyed having animations in my video, would you please let me know in the comments? And if you enjoyed the video in general, let me know that too with a like. If you would like to support ad-free videos, you can always buy me a coffee. And With the money, I may or may not buy a coffee, but I will definitely want to pay for Flip a Clip because I am having a ball animating. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope to see you back on the next one. And here are a couple more videos you might like.